So FET has maybe bottomed. I mean, we start to see some upside momentum across the sector, but only weak upside momentum so far. I think I mentioned it in yesterday's video that while this could be the low in wave B, we would really need to see some more upside momentum, like a micro 5-wave move up. In the white scenario, this would have to be a diagonal structure. So we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2, A, B, C. That C wave could move towards 97 cents if we already bottomed. Then a wave 4, then a wave 5, possibly towards 140, 150. That gives us 5 waves up in wave C of A, and then, then we can talk about the next pullback. But for now, we are in a pullback, we are in a support area, and I still prefer higher prices. I find the white scenario very speculative, yeah, and that's because, again, this is all choppy and corrective and messy price action, and there's actually no way of really distinguishing between the white scenario and the yellow count, which allows for the deeper pullback, just looking at the structure itself, yeah. So the only way to really distinguish is checking support. As long as we're holding 69 cents, I will keep the focus on higher prices directly. A decisive break below means we're in the larger B wave. But important is also here, in both of these, the result should be the same, higher prices, because it's either we're moving higher like that directly, or we're forming a broader B wave, and the B wave never bottomed in June, and then we go up. So this is a chart that rallied in pretty clear 5 waves, I think, from the April low. So I naturally keep the focus on higher prices as long as we're holding support. And that's here, 43.2 cents. But in the very short term, 69 cents. So there are 2 bullish scenarios, but one is short-term bearish. And the yellow scenario, the short-term bearish one, needs to prove itself with a break below upper support. Yeah. So I'm watching if we go higher from here. It's quite interesting that there seems to be some strong resistance around 74.5 cents. Any break above could send us higher, yeah, I would say directly, right, towards, towards these previous swing highs, really on the nano level, 77.7 cents, 82.5, and then 88.5 cents. So I think at the moment, bulls try something here, but it's too weak to say really that we've bottomed. I think as soon as we get a break above that 77.7 cent level here, the Thursday high, we start to get some serious upside momentum in, and then it becomes clearer that we maybe have bottomed already. So yeah, I prefer the white scenario just slightly for now.